Have you seen those AI generated images that people are creating on Facebook and on WhatsApp? That's Meta AI. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to create your own images from scratch. And the good thing, you can actually animate these images that you generated without paying a dime. You don't just generate them, you animate them, you can make them move, you can make them talk. A little bonus, you can also get to choose the correct aspect ratio that you want. Your preferred choice of aspect ratio, be it the YouTube 16:9 or the TikTok 19:16 or even the Facebook square, whichever image you want to create, whichever aspect ratio that you want to create, we are going to be doing that right in this tutorial. And I'm going to be teaching you how you can do this both on your laptop and of course on your mobile phone, even if you're using an Android or an iPhone. Now let's get started. When you come to your browser, search for Meta AI. When you search for Meta AI, you click on this first one. Then if you're someone who wants to use the Meta AI app, you can come to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or you go to Google Play if you're using an Android. Search for Meta AI. You get it and you download it. But I don't want to download this app. You're going to just go straight to our browser. So once you come to Meta AI, you're going to see this thing. But the thing is, you will have to log in, because if you don't log in, you will not get the full information of what you want. If you don't have one yet, you click on sign up. I've used Meta AI in the past. I don't need to sign up again. I just have to click on login. And when I click on login, it will ask me to continue with Facebook or continue with Instagram. Or of course, you can also decide to continue with your email address, whichever case. I'd want to continue with my email address. And you're going to send a code to my email address. Copy the code and come back here and paste it. Click on continue. You can choose to also enter password instead. This is the point you want to generate images, you want to get prompts or whatever. So you have to first of all look at this icon on this top left corner. You click on it, you're going to see new chat, search, vibes, or create. So you just click on create. It's going to ask you to describe your image. So if you see, I've generated thousands or lots of images with my Meta AI in the past. So now I want to create a new image. You can decide to write anything you want or whatever prompt you've generated. Now I'm not using my ChatGPT. I just want to show you how you're going to do this one. So you just let me just say generate an image of a beautiful African princess walking by the stream, accompanied by palace guards. Okay, and this is the point you're going to click on this blue icon. But before you click on this, look at this place. This is what will show you the aspect ratio that you want. Click on it first and choose whatever aspect ratio that you want. Now I want to generate an aspect ratio of 16:9, which is the normal YouTube aspect ratio. So I'll click on this. But before that, if you want the vertical aspect ratio for TikTok or for Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels or even YouTube Shorts, you can go with this 9:16. If you want the square one that works well with Facebook or even maybe Instagram pictures, you can use the first one, which is 1:1. But since this is a YouTube tutorial, we are going to be using the 16:9 aspect ratio. Once you click on that, you click on this place, this blue icon, and tap on it and send. Wait for the image to load. It's just going to take a few seconds and the images will load. It normally gives you about 4 different images. So you're going to choose the one you want. You can decide to even save each and every one of them, because you're going to need it for your African folktale images, for example. If you don't like the images, you can also go back to your prompts, click on it. It will generate more images for you. If you're okay with the images it gave you, you can just click and download each and every one of them. If you want to animate it, click on animate. Once you click on animate, it generates a very short video for you. You wait a few seconds and the video is ready. So look at the image here, and then these are other images, and this is the animated part. We tap on it and wait for it. See, now they are walking. The princess is walking with her palace cards. You might also want to animate. Let's also use this one for example. Let's use this one for example. This one where they are walking by the stream. You might also want to animate. Once you click on it, click on animate and you wait for the result. Once the video is generated, it appears on the top. Now the video is also ready, so we click on the image or on the video, sorry. You wait for it to load. Now the video is ready. You can see the African princess walking with her palace guards. This is the first one we animated, and this is the second one we animated. So once you do it, just click here and save the video. It automatically saves to your device. You see, very quick and easy. It does not take time. If I can do it, you can also do it. One quick one, you don't even have to use ChatGPT. You can also decide to even generate these prompts right from Meta AI. You can even ask Meta AI to generate prompts for you that you can use in creating this African folktale image, because Meta AI is not just for chatting. You can also ask questions and generate prompts that you can use in generating your African folktale images. It must not be chat GPT. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. And hey, if you found value in this, if you got value from this, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button so and hit the bell notification so that you can always get notifications whenever I make new videos. And I'm gonna see you in my next one. For now, bye.